guys, welcome to 5150. I'm Dean. Today we'll be installing the rock rails on Project RockLander. So come join us. Let's get this started. So this goes against the pinch seam. This will go up against the frame rail. I'm going to go through there. We'll use self tappers. They go on the bottom. These will go through the frame, through the pinch seam. These will use a 1/4 for the backing plate. What size hole are you drilling, Patrick?
1/4.
These are for some self tappers, just to hold it up there. Once we get the rock rails on, we'll finish fixing those scratches. Then we'll do a complete rig walk around. Pretty much done with it. We have a bunch of bolts and backing plates that actually will pinch the unibody frame.
How's the look?
Good. Pull the jack out. So this isn't strong yet. We just have about 6 self tappers just to kind of hold it up. Now we got to drill out the frame. Got the rusty skid plate on there. So those cross braces you see right there, we'll be putting backing plates on those, and those will have a 1/2-inch bolt going all the way through it. That'll be in the front, towards the back, and in the middle too. These are just self tappers. This is what we're using just to get anything that we can't put a nut behind easy.
Bracketry. But it fits fine. Watch, see how far they stick out.
This early argument heavy, without studying it. He noticed that it was like not at all.
I'm just going to put it on the jack to balance it. Patrick's going to put it on the jack to balance it.
Let's go on the other side and see where it sits from there. Right there. How's that look there to the other side of the location?
That's good. Taking a measurement here, compare it to the other side. That's good. Yeah.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe.